Hey you guys, what is up and welcome back to the channel. So today's gonna be a fun video. I've been really struggling with the lighting in this room and I kind of wanted to give you guys like kind of a little bit of a tour of this room, just a little bit. I don't really even have it set up the way like I want it to be set up. So I am going to rearrange a little bit because right now my like vanity and how I film is right up against a window, and I feel like the lighting just is a real struggle with the window like right there in front of my face. So I'm going to move my filming setup up against this wall behind me, and the window will still be in front of me but it'd be further away, and hopefully the lighting with my camera will look a little better. And I don't know, we're gonna try it out. I'm gonna kind of do a little bit of like a rearranging type style video with you guys and moving some stuff around, and then I kind of want to do a little bit of a cleaning. I need to wipe down my vanity, and then maybe I'll kind of, you guys will kind of get to see how the room looks, because I just call this my booty room. It's like my beauty room, like my get ready with, like where I get ready in the mornings. I have like a clothes rack. I have a full-length mirror, which I've never had a full-length mirror in my life until now. And so I love this room. It's like my little room where I'm really happy. And so I want to do a little bit of rearranging just because I feel like the space, it's a great space. It's just for filming, it's not working out the greatest the way it's set up right now. So, you know, try something else, see if it works better. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please be sure to go ahead and hit that thumbs up before you leave. I'm holding my camera right now, that's why it's moving a little bit. Otherwise y'all will be on a tripod. And let's get started with this video, guys. Okay, so I do want to give you all a little bit of a rundown of the room. So there's the door. It's like when you walk in, to your right I have a clothing rack right now. I've kind of got like some cute spring sweaters, cardigans. That's my winter coat I need to put away because we are now into spring. Don't really need it, so that kind of hangs out there. I kind of have some shoes under there. And then over here, you can see me. I'm actually holding my tripod because it's not like tall enough. So I might be able to sit you down. But I have my full-length mirror there. And like shoes, and then over here on this wall, like I don't have nothing on the walls yet. I just have my cute little fairy lights up there. Over here I have my 3 like makeup organizers, and then on top of it I have like my clips and perfumes, and then over here I have like bracelets and stuff and a bucket full of beauty blenders. And then over here in this corner, I just have a plant. And then I did get my 2 buckets hung up. And then over here is where I currently film. I have my ring light in front of my window. And let me see if this lighting will get any better. I then have my makeup vanity here. Sorry, the lighting is just awful. It's so dark. Let me, if I like get at a different angle, it might help a little bit. It's not helping. So makeup vanity is here, and then over here in the corner, this little cart, I have like all my drugstore palettes on, and then don't mind the bag, that's just like my trash can for now. It's just a bag. And then over here I have my dresser that holds my like high-end eyeshadow palettes, and then I just like the bottom 2 are like makeup bag organization and stuff like that. The top is a little bit cluttered right now, but that's the current situation on top of that. And then over here in this door, this is just extra storage. And then I have like a basket full of scrunchies over there. And then you're back to the beginning of the room. So I want to try to set you guys up so maybe you can see me like, okay, so I'm going to try to work on moving my desk over to like this side of the room. So I'll try to get the best amount of footage I can, and we'll just see how this goes. Bend down just so you guys can, so I'm in frame. So I've got my desk, or not desk, my vanity moved over here. Someday I really want to paint this whole like backing of this like I don't know, white or even just like pink or something, because anytime I've had my vanity like facing that way and not like up against a wall, I always see that and I hate it so much. It just drives me nuts. Anyways, so I've gotten that done. Okay, you guys, so it is quite a few hours later. There's been a windstorm, trees have broken, it's been crazy. I finished kind of just rearranging some stuff off camera, and so now I'm back on camera and I'm going to kind of show you what I moved around, and I don't know, that's about all I have to say. Okay. So when you come in the door now, to the left is where I will be filming. I'm gonna kind of be filming towards the corner area almost, just because whenever the sun shines, it kind of hits this part of the wall. So I'm gonna try to film towards the corner to try to cut out some of the sunlight. So I just need to get some cute wall decor. I've got my lights up here and maybe some shelves or something. So I have my little shelf cart back here, and then I have my vanity all set up over here with my chair there. I still need to clean my vanity, and then over here I moved the dressers or cabinets, whatever they are. I moved them down just a little bit just to kind of allow room for the clothing rack. So I have my clothing rack now over here in this corner, which I think that looks really good. And then there's a window, and I have my little plant down here on this plant stand. And then now I have my full-length mirror over here, and I just have that ring light on me to allow some light in the window. And then I still have my dresser over here. And then my two buckets down here that has my eyeshadow brushes and my setting sprays, I now have to rehang and get new hooks and put them over here. So I have to get more hooks at the store because I only have one more hook, so I need to get another hook. Anyways, I'll flip you guys back around here. That is pretty much the gist of the video. I rearranged everything, so hopefully the lighting in the next, like, get ready with me or something, the next video will be a little bit better lighting, and maybe I'll get something hung on the wall behind me. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a little bit different. Never quite did anything like this on my channel, but I felt like it was fun. I'm glad I got to rearrange my room, and I really think I like it like this. So we're going to try it out. If it works, that'll be good. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up before you leave, and Also, y'all are absolutely stunning. Bye y'all, thanks for watching.